In this video, I'm going to show you how to work a T account, and I'm going to use short exercise 4 as an example. Exercise 4 says calculate the accounts payable balance. They give us accounts payable. It's in a T account. There's my T. We have 2 debits and 4 credits. So for homework, what you'll need to do is copy this T account. So anytime it says calculate the balance using a T account, you need to draw a T account like this. Now they also gave us dates. I don't need dates in homework, but if you wanted to, you could certainly add the date. Just make sure it's on the outside of the T account. I'm not going to put May 1st here and then put the 21,000. May 5 and then 500. Only the amounts of the transaction and account balances will go inside the T account. Anything else needs to be on the outside. So to calculate a T account, I first need to determine where is the normal side. This is accounts payable. Accounts payable is a liability, so this will increase on the right, so its normal side is on the right, the credit side. So what I want to do is add up everything that's on the right-hand side of this T account. So I'm going to say 21,000 plus 500 plus 8,500 plus 500. Now if I wanted to hit equals, it would give me the balance of this side, all of my credits, but it's not the balance in the account, so I'm not going to put that number anywhere in here. If I wanted to, I would write it off to the side or on another piece of scrap paper or someplace else. It would not be written anywhere in here. So I've added up the right side. Now I need to add up the opposite side, but I'm going to subtract it. So I'm just going to say subtract the 6,000 and the 11,500. My balance in this account is 13,000. In this class, you will only end up with positive account balances. You will never have, in this class, a negative account balance. So I need to draw a line to say that I have calculated everything that's above this line, and below the line is where I put the balance. I'm not going to put it in the middle. It needs to be on whatever side the balance is. This is a credit balance of $13,000. If I wanted to say that this is the balance, I would not put it here because this is not a transaction amount and it is not the actual balance amount. If I want to note anything, I need to do it on the outside of the T account. I'm not going to double underline because this account is going to go on essentially forever. These transactions all happened in May, then I calculated a balance at the end of May. In June, I'm going to do more things, so I'm not going to draw any double underline. I would do whatever happened next, whatever happened next. I have a line, so I know I'm going to start here with my 13,000. I'm going to add up whatever is on the normal side, so I'm going to add the other 1,000 that I just wrote in and subtract whatever is on the opposite side. Then I have to draw another line to say my new balance is 13,500. This line means everything above it has already been calculated, so I'm not going to keep going. So if I didn't draw this line and I put 13,500 here and then I wanted to find a balance, I would end up doing 13 plus 1,000 plus 13,500 minus 5, but that is not the correct balance. So I have to draw the line to show whatever below this has not been calculated yet, starting with my balance. That also means that if I have an account, Committee Capital, and I have $10,000 in it, and the problem says calculate the balance, I still need to draw a line and say it has 10,000. And I may have multiple accounts that only have one amount in them. Every single one, you'll need to draw a line. This is the transaction amount. This is a balance. Okay? If you have any questions about how to work a T account, please feel free to contact me.